This animation is so fun.
Yeah. New Year's Eve. Can't wait.
Come and eat, you guys. This is so delicious. Okay, guys, sorry for the rough intro. Let me introduce myself. No, do the intro properly. So, hey guys, welcome to another vlog. We're going to be doing a New Year's Eve vlog. We're going to be spending New Year's Eve in church. After church, we're going to go to the shrine. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. Okay, we finally arrived at ground floor. So you guys can see the clothes that I'm wearing. It's white because we have to wear white for the New Year's Eve since it's a new year. Mom, I'm so excited for 2024. Yeah, me too.
Babe,
Yes?
isn't the decoration so pretty?
Yeah, it has gold in there. That's one of my favorite colors.
That's good for you.
Mommy, look, it's pink. That's my favorite color.
That's nice to know, Luna.
Well, I already knew that, but... Mommy, I'm so excited for fireworks, and I'm excited to go to the shrine.
Okay, guys, find a seat. You can sit by yourself if you want to.
Okay. I want you to pray that the new year will be great. Pray, 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 pray. Wow, firelight. Okay, we're at the shrine. Let's take some selfies. These fireworks are amazing. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.